Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. Good news. Today we're excited to introduce a brand new add-on, YayMail add-on for Blocksy theme, designed to help WordPress users fully customize the waitlist emails generated by Blocksy directly inside the YayMail interface. Okay, let's set it up. Before starting, we have to install and activate these plugins. Once everything is active, we're ready to customize the email. One small step. We have to enable the product waitlist extension from the Shop Extra tab of Blocksy. The customers can create their product waitlist when it is out of stock and subscribe to get a notification when it is back in stock. From the WordPress dashboard, I'm going to navigate to YayMail, and you can see a list of available WooCommerce email templates. After activating the add-on, YayMail automatically detects the email generated by the Blocksy product waitlist module. You'll now see some new templates available, the waitlist email template. Click Customize to open it in the YayMail visual editor. Inside the builder, YayMail provides a pre-built template here. You can now edit the entire email, modify the email content, drag in structure elements, and add some Blocksy waitlist shortcodes. For example, let's say you want to announce customer subscriptions for a sold-out product. You can add a strong back-in-stock banner, highlight product image prominently, add Blocksy waitlist product table from YayMail elements, add urgency messaging like limited stock available, include store contact info and social media links. You can do all of that inside YayMail in just minutes. Now your waitlist emails become powerful marketing tools. If you're using Blocksy and WooCommerce and you want full control over your waitlist email design, the YayMail add-on for Blocksy is exactly what you need. Turn basic restock notifications into high-converting branded emails. Install the add-on today and start designing smarter WooCommerce emails with YayMail. See you in the next tutorial.